Hello, my name is Trinity.
And my name is Annabelle.
And we are seniors in the Environmental Engineering program at Bristol County Agricultural High School.
We are standing in front of the rocky coastline and inshore ocean aquariums in our Museum of Natural History. Students in the Environmental Conservation Department maintain these two 700-gallon aquariums, which represent local marine habitats and feature many local species.
Taking care of these two large exhibits requires a lot of work and attention. First, we conduct assessment of any potential hazards such as leaks or damaged equipment. Then we perform daily wellness checks on the aquarium residents, noting any unusual behavior or injury. Keeping animals from the North Atlantic healthy requires a robust life support system. That includes filtration, temperature management, aeration, and water chemistry monitoring. The sand filters remove any debris from the aquarium and provide a home for beneficial bacteria that help break down fish waste. Our air pump helps to oxygenate the water. The aquarium residents then absorb the oxygen through their gills.
Chillers keep the water at the desired temperature. The rocky coastline must be kept at 46 degrees Fahrenheit, and the inshore ocean must be kept at 52 degrees Fahrenheit for the survival of the species housed within. We use a temperature gun to confirm that the aquarium's temperature is within a healthy range. Next, we ensure our light timers are set to the correct time to mimic a day-night cycle.
Water quality is essential to maintain aquarium health. We test for salinity, temperature, nitrate, and ammonia.
We use a hydrometer to monitor salinity. Salinity must be kept between 28 to 32 parts per thousand to match their natural habitat requirements.
While one person is performing daily checks, the other person uses chemical tests to measure nitrate, and ammonia. These parameters are naturally occurring in aquariums but can be toxic to residents and need to be properly managed.
All residents are fed daily. We provide them with dime-sized pieces of fish fillets, shrimp, mussels, or squid based on availability on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. On alternating days, we supplement them with commercial fish feed. To ensure every resident has eaten, one person will observe feeding behaviors for at least 5 minutes, while another is distributing food into the aquarium.
We keep the glass clean and clear so visitors can enjoy our aquariums and their residents to the fullest. After we double-check all of our work, we neatly put away all of the equipment. A messy workspace is not safe. That concludes the behind-the-scenes tour of our marine aquariums. Thank you for listening and enjoy the rest of Fall's show.